Hello, today I'm in Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, accelerate to desired speed and then press on-off button. Now when cruise control is enabled, to activate it you have to press set button. Now you can take your leg off the acceleration pedal and the car will remain on the selected speed. To increase the speed, press reset plus button. To decrease the speed, press set minus button. To cancel speed, to pause it, press cancel button. To turn off the cruise control, press on off button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.